Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video tutorial, we're going to be um, using square root and power function for our programming. Okay, now maybe we would like to ask our user to welcome to programming 101. Okay, please enter the values for integers a and b. And maybe ask integer a, right? And of course, you will have to have a variable for the first integer. And then we're going to ask the user to enter the value for integer b, right? Okay. So space, and then cin integer. Right. Next, we're going to have a variable for the square root. So that's square root of a saved with variable c, and square root of b would be saved to variable d. Next, how about the power function? So for the power function, the first would be the base. Okay, so let's say our base is the integer a, and our power or exponent would be integer b. So that's how it is. And let's say we're going to be doing it the other way around. So b now is our base and a is our exponent. Okay, so we have to introduce our variables. We're going to be using double for a, b, c, d, e, and f. Okay. So by the way, you cannot use a square root and power function without including this error program. Okay, now we are ready to display the answer. So the square root of there's variable is, and then the answer, that's c. All right, and then let's copy this one. And the square root of variable b is d. Good. Now, going to have the power function. Okay. So the value of, right? So the integer a, all right, raised to the power of variable b, alright, is, then the answer would be e. Alright. Okay. Then the other way around, b raised to the 8th power of a equivalent to f. Okay, so let's check. So you see we don't have any errors, therefore let's try to run it. Okay. Wait for it. Okay, there you have it. Let's say our integer a is 3, and then the power is 5. So the square root of 3 is 1.73205, and square root of 5 is 2.23607. 3 raised to the power of 5 is 243, and 5 raised to the power of 3 is 125. Okay, so that's it. So maybe you could include this to your program. Okay, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit on subscribe and the bell button so that you will be notified if we have new videos. Thank you. Have a good day.